How about we go ahead and pour some copper today? What do you say? Hey everybody, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and I poured myself some copper today, so I figured I would take you on the journey and share the clips with you. Figure we got some copper wire, some copper fines. We're just dumping it in there. I'll be using actually pliers because some of this stuff is stuck together, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. But we're heating up the furnace right now, and really, I'm just taking this stuff and dumping it in there. And it'll take a while for it to heat up. We got quite a bit already of it in there, about 14 ounces, maybe almost 15 ounces worth. And once that melts down, I'll add this in. I'll try to get some on recording, but we've still got 300 more degrees to get up to before this guy is going to be ready. Temperature's at 1100. The mold's nice and hot. We're going to try our first pour here. Open this up. It is smoking in there. And I don't know if we can get a good, there you go. Smoking in there. Don't want to melt my camera. So we're going to go ahead now and grab this bad boy. See if we can't pour us a copper round. Just a small pour. See how that does? And we'll be right back after it cools. Back to 1100 degrees, and this time we're going to try a little bigger bar, and that is hot. 1100 degrees. So we'll grab this real quick. Pull that bad boy out of there and give her a go. Not a perfect pour. Let it cool down and quench. You can see the copper round right there. Once that cools down, we'll start the somewhat polishing process, and I'll show you how I do that. There you go. Nice copper bar before we polish it. Came out pretty good. We'll do another one, and I'll take you to the next step. Let's pour ourselves another big bar. A little heavy on that one, but heavy's okay. Just means more copper. Love watching it cool, then the camera starts to focus on it. That's hot. Nice looking bar. Little loafy on the top, but it'll come out nice. I might have enough copper to do one more round. So there wasn't enough copper left to pour another round. It came out to like 1/3 of an ounce left. So the next step here is I like to take this wheel and polish it off with that. I'll try to get some clips of me doing that. So I'll do the best to set this up so that you can see it for the most part, but just keep in mind I can't talk because it'll be too loud, but you'll get an idea of what I'm doing. Let me go ahead and get these done and show what they look like afterwards. So this is one bar, somewhat done. I still have to use my Dremel to sand it down a little more smooth and then finish it off with some sandpaper as well, but quite a bit different from that. And again, that's just the first step that I do before we get them ready for it to be kind of fine-tuned and finished up. So let me get the rest of these done, at least with the first step. I'll be right back. All right, so phase one is done. A lot of work to get these guys brilliantly shining, but we'll get them there. Anyway, copper bars, copper round. So I wanted to give you one look under the lights of the copper bars and the copper round I did today. Obviously not completely finished specimens like I've said a few times, but just wanted to show you what they look like. Pretty cool. And you know what? There's character to having them like this, but I can definitely make them look a lot more polished up once I get everything I need set up. But this is a good start, and I like how they came out, and we're getting better at getting smoother tops, as you can see from my early pours. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this copper pouring video. It wasn't an instructional and it wasn't a tutorial or how-to or anything like that. I just wanted to kind of show you what I was doing, and I'm learning as I continue my quest to pour better copper bars. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy pouring, and thanks for watching.